A game changer is literally something that alters the way we do things. And we don't have a lot of game changers that come along every day in medicine. We constantly are trying to do things in a better way and in a more efficient way. I like to use the word game changer with this because it is fulfilling a huge void for women. This is almost immediate. As part of the protocol, we had patients, we would see them 1 week after their first treatment. This is very exciting to me as a researcher because I think this is just the tip of the iceberg, but millions and millions of women suffer from this. And unfortunately, most of them suffer in silence. So this is a very, very needed therapy. I was very willing to try this because it's a huge need. It's a huge therapeutic area. The other big group of women that are truly suffering in silence that can't even take the medicines are breast cancer survivors. I can just tell you that I am blown away with how well it works. The therapy takes somewhere in the range of 3 to 4 minutes to deliver. It doesn't require any anesthesia, no creams, no Valium before, nothing. There was not one patient that could not tolerate it. It's a probe that goes into the vaginal canal, and then you deliver the laser therapy. There's no pain with the laser therapy. Sometimes putting the probe in on that first therapy just because their vaginas are tight and sensitive is a little bit painful. But again, we did not have one patient that couldn't tolerate the therapy. Hands down, 100% of the patients have had improvement. It penetrates the wall of the vagina and stimulates cells that are important in creating fluid, improving collagen synthesis. It's a very, very scientifically validated mechanism of the way it works. So this is real, this is legitimate, and I'm very excited about it. This isn't about enhancing sex. This is about treating a medical condition that basically occurs in almost every woman that goes through menopause. So you would want to make sure that they're not being pulled into something that hasn't gone through the scientific validity and the due diligence required. I would say that if you've got these symptoms and you can get to a physician that is able to deliver this MonaLisa Touch therapy to you, not too many things you can say there's no downside to it, but I really don't see any downside and a tremendous potential upside.
I was diagnosed with breast cancer at 29. I had gone through 2 surgeries, radiation, was put on tamoxifen, and started experiencing all of the side effects of tamoxifen, which included vaginal dryness and atrophy.
Hot flashes and dryness and painful intercourse.
I was having a lot of pain with intercourse to the point where I just stopped being sexually active.
We were having no sex at all, none. And, it really was detrimental to the relationship because, here you have your partner who is looking at you like, what is wrong with you, or what is wrong with us? Is there a problem with, are you not attracted to me anymore? It's really hard not to be able to have, sex with the person that you love.
I tried multiple things. I did the patch, I did creams, I did oral medication, and I just stopped doing it because of all the controversy.
This treatment is life-changing. It is something that you can do without feeling scared that it's going to make your breast cancer come back or cause other health side effects.
And there's no drugs involved, so you don't have to be worried.
There's no pain, no discomfort, and I definitely saw results pretty much immediately.
The treatment itself is totally painless. It just feels like a little bit of a vibration. After that first treatment, I had results almost immediately. I mean, within a few days, I could tell that things were functioning more as they should be.
Well, I would say I'm 90% better.
My message will be definitely try the MonaLisa. It's worked for me.
I would recommend it to any woman who had any kind of concerns about vaginal dryness or atrophy.
The improved intimacy definitely impacts a lot of aspects of my life. I'm happier, he's happier.
I mean, I would say go for this because this will fix it.